Well, good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning. We've had a few showers and thunderstorms, some that are exiting northeast Nebraska this morning, others over the western parts of the area, west central Nebraska, with some very isolated hit or miss activity in central Nebraska. I think many of us will likely stay dry today, but I did include a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms out there, just very hit or miss through the morning. Afternoon, the chances are lower. Otherwise, I think the bigger story today for the majority of us, strong south winds, breezy, and that's going to really heat things up today. The heat is back. Northern Nebraska, there is actually going to be a cold front up there, or warm front. Sorry, that's where the warm front's lifting northward here, and it'll be up here. So that'll divide the hot air and breezy conditions with the cooler air somewhere near and north of the South Dakota border. So most of us are going to be pretty hot out there for today. Heading into tonight, isolated hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. I do think there's a little bit better chance across northern Nebraska than anywhere else. I know this model's not showing much. Other models do show quite a few thunderstorms in those areas, though. So we're going to keep an eye on it there, as those areas could see showers and thunderstorms through the overnight hours. And then we'll dry things out tomorrow morning in most locations. Tomorrow, another fairly warm, if not hot day out there, with a slight chance of an afternoon or evening shower thunderstorm across parts of central eastern portions of Nebraska. Not a great chance, but there is a chance in these locations right in here. Otherwise, by Saturday morning, I think we'll see drier weather for a time, but a cold front's going to enter the picture. That front's going to trigger some showers and thunderstorms. Our most widespread chance will come on Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. Well, let's look at that risk of severe weather for today. Your best chances in northern Nebraska, where there's a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Marginal risk farther south, where the chances are lower. The new update will come out from the Storm Prediction Center at 8 o'clock this morning. We'll see if this changes at all. As of right now, damaging wind gusts look to be the biggest threat, maybe some large hail. Tomorrow's threat's a little bit lower out there, mainly confined to eastern portions of Nebraska, where there's a marginal risk of severe storms. A little more widespread chance, at least a small chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday afternoon and Saturday night as that cold front swings through here. But not only that, we may actually see some very heavy rainfall in some spots, some beneficial rain in spots as we get into Saturday afternoon and evening. Right now, I would say the best chance of some of the heavier rain will be right in here. These areas right in here have the best chance of heavier rainfall when you're talking more of a widespread threat of showers and thunderstorms. Well, this is your future dew points product here. I want to go back real quick here. Dew points are up there, mid to upper 60s and lower 70s this morning for most of us here. I'm hoping they're going to drop a little bit as the day goes on. It's still probably going to be fairly muggy, but it might get a little drier later today here, and so maybe not as humid. That said, the humidity will still be high enough combined with hot temperatures. We do have some dangerous heat index values that will be possible this afternoon. So heat advisories will be in place starting at noon in east central, southeast Nebraska, as well as northeast Kansas, and continuing until 8 o'clock tonight. This means heat index values could meet or exceed 105 later on today in those locations. Actual air temperatures today topping out in the 90s, nearing 100 in the south and southwest. Northern Nebraska is kind of the big if right now because of that warm front. Where exactly does it end out? Right in here. If you're north of that boundary, it'll probably stay in the 80s. South of it, probably going to get into at least the 90-degree range, if not a little hotter. So it'll be close, but somewhere up here in northern Nebraska, there will be some cool temperatures, if not northern Nebraska, southern South Dakota. Overnight lows tonight dropping back into the 60s and 70s, coolest northwest, warmest in the southeast. And then highs tomorrow back into the upper 80s and low to mid 90s. So very warm again for your Friday. Friday night, lots of 70s, a mild night ahead of us here. Some 60s to the west and northwest. And then for your Saturday, that's kind of our transitional day. Still going to be pretty warm out ahead, excuse me, of that frontal boundary where we get temperatures into the low and mid 90s. But here's that front right in here that'll be coming into play. And so cooler 80s tomorrow afternoon, or Saturday afternoon, off to the northwest. And we will all see that cooler air dive southeastward for Sunday. So talking about the heavier rainfall for Saturday here, we are going to be looking at, again, that chance of rain and thunderstorms, hoping for that heavier rain in spots out there Saturday evening. And then heading towards Sunday, it will start to shift to our south just a bit, just leaving a small chance of rain on Sunday into Sunday night. And then as we look towards the GFS forecast model, fairly similar, again, looking for the better chances of rain. Saturday evening will be our highest chance of rain, and then shifting southward as we head towards Sunday morning. And during the day on Sunday, it'll shift more towards the south and the southeast. So checking out that long-range forecast We'll be looking at just small chances of rain the next couple of days. Otherwise, plenty of heat heading into the weekend. The best chance of rain Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Still a decent chance after midnight Saturday night, and then winding down sometime Sunday morning. Sunday will be a cooler day behind that front, but that's temporary. The front starts to lift back north as a warm front, so we're going to heat things back up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, back into the upper 80s to near 90. That is above average for this time of the year. One more slight chance of rain and thunderstorms on Monday. Long range, again, you see the heat the next couple of days. The cool down on Sunday, warming back up for the early and middle portions of next week. There are signs that we may see a much bigger cool down come in as we head towards the Labor Day holiday weekend. Those final 2 days there, that's Friday and Saturday of the Labor Day holiday weekend. So hoping that maybe we see more of a dramatic cool down into the 70s and lower 80s during that time frame. Well, I have to let you go. I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. Hope it's a good one for you. Stay cool out there for today. Take care and God bless. Bye.